Hi, I'm Tim with DB2 Overland. We just got back from a short little camping trip, and we've discovered that it's a real pain in the butt to try to get out of our camper with just a screen door. So getting in is no problem. Getting out is a complete hassle. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. But first, let me show you. Look at this screen door from your perspective right now, and tell me, how do you get out? Well, in order to open the screen door, you have to get your hand all the way down in here, in between the seat and the door, and then you can push it like that. Closing it, there, let me have that closed. Closing it, another hassle. You've got your hand all down in here, and it's a pain. So I'm gonna fix that, I hope. So what I'm gonna end up doing is, I noticed that these screws right here, what I think is what holds the rail on. So I am going to unscrew these. You got them here and on the inside. Gonna unscrew these. I'm gonna pop out the screen, and then I'm gonna flip everything over. And all I'll have to really do is flip this upside down. Should be perfectly easy to do. Okay, so let's see if this pops out like I suspect. Great success so far. Okay, so I flipped over. I've got the first one started back in. The one that was top is now bottom. And now this bottom one, I do notice I'm gonna have to drill probably one hole, and it'll be for this right here, because I'm gonna have to flip this to where it can be used. So this tool right here is a screen replacement, screen gasket replacement tool. I got this a long time ago from my dad, and it's just been sitting in my toolbox because I've never needed it. But guess what? Now I need it. Thanks, Dad. Okay, so that was a swing and a miss for an idea. So let me explain why. So on taking this from here, I needed the latch on this side. So thinking that I was just going to flip everything over, it'd be great, but I don't have a groove on this side for my screen to go in. So it's got to go like this. I guess I'll just have to drill the holes from here onto this side. Oh well, I tried. So I made a template of this down here from this side, and now I'm flipping it over and putting it on this side. All right, so I got my template all marked up, and I'm going to start drilling some holes. Hopefully I don't screw this up. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole here, 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 and here, and then I'm gonna connect the holes here to make the slot. So this hole goes all the way through. Got to make sure that you're completely 90 degrees. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Dremel Mini Death Wheel to cut out the slot. Show you what I'm doing here. Take the death wheel, cut out the slots. Please remember that I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm putting it back together right now to test fit everything. Before I put it together completely, I want to make sure that all my holes are where they're supposed to be. Okay, so I went ahead and I was dry fitting the door to make sure that everything was lined up, and then I forgot to turn the camera back on. So I've got it all back installed, and let me show you what I did. I had to reinstall the plastic slider, so that's in there. I've got this completely installed, and I put my rubber gasket back in. Forgot about that, rubber gasket. I've got my little handle grippy thing, and then I put the knob back on, and look at that. It's in there. I gotta deal with this. So if anybody has any ideas how to cover up these holes or what to use, please leave me a comment so I can figure it out. I appreciate it. One other thing that I've got to get done is the latch that holds this door to the main door, which is down here from the old spot. Now I got to move it up here to the new spot, so it'll go right there. Okay, so I'm not the genius that I thought I was. Still had to cut the holes, had to use the Dremel, still have to fill some holes. But I think this is going to be so much better than trying to dig around next to that seat. But there it is. Got all that. It's nice. It works. Good to go. If you liked watching me fumble around with this, please give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share this. Hopefully this helped you. I mean, it really helped me out, but something that needed to be done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on down the road.